Kablow, kaboom. Rest in peace, my granny, she got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, I think about it every time I hit the hookah. Kaboom, kablow, kaboom. I was in my room tryna teach my little sister. Then I heard a boom and it sounded like a missile. Who that is? What that was? Oh, that granny. Oh, she done. Yeah, how do I feel about it? I don't got no motherfucking feelings to feel about it. Yeah, rest in peace to granny, what you get out of it? Yeah, they told me to slide for it, yeah, and this big body. Hit the curve, vision blurred, hypnotic. I posted this shit in the blue, they say he got it. And they hit my granny for a reason. Slide on they block, give them beatin'. Missiles and hella chops on the weekend. Thanksgiving, have a feast, yeah, we eatin'. I don't fuck with you niggas, you heathens. I got all of the heat, who you seeking? Better watch your bad lungs, I'm breathing. It could be 100 years, I'm still grieving.